Hey friends, welcome back to Koja Beauty. Today I want to introduce you to the I'm from Honey mask. Now this is a premium wash-off mask that contains 38.7% real honey from Korea, and this mask delivers intense hydration and nourishment, and it's great for those with dry, sensitive and irritated skin. Now we all know that honey has so many health and skin benefits. It's rich in antioxidants that help to fight damage from free radicals. It's extremely nourishing and hydrating, and it's antibacterial, so it means that it's great for those suffering from acne and acne-prone skin. The I'm from Honey mask is free from artificial fragrances and coloring. It does smell like real honey though, and it looks like real honey. It has a thicker consistency, kind of like clover honey, but I promise you it does not taste like real honey. I tried it and it tastes nowhere near as good as it smells. So yeah, that was a mistake that I made and I will never do it again. I started using this honey mask a few months ago when I was suffering from severe breakouts because my skin was very sensitive and it was feeling very raw, and I needed something to really nourish my skin. Now that my skin is back to normal, I still use the honey mask from time to time because it's winter and my skin dries out very quickly, and I just focus the honey mask on my cheekbone area because that's where my skin gets dry very easily, and I just want to make sure that this area keeps hydrated and protected from the cold weather. I absolutely love the I'm from Honey mask. I can highly recommend it, and if you're someone who is into honey skincare products, then this product is definitely a must. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!